everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Space. Today we're going to talk about something super important and very practical in English. Adjectives for daily life. Adjectives are words we use to describe things, people, and experiences. They make our sentences colorful and more interesting. If we only use nouns and verbs, our English can sound flat and simple. But when we add adjectives, suddenly our language becomes alive and expressive.
That's right, Anna. Think about the difference between saying, I have a house, and I have a big, beautiful house. The second sentence gives us a clear picture, right? That's the magic of adjectives. They help us describe size, color, feelings, personality, weather, and so much more.
Exactly. And here's the hook for today's lesson. If you want people to really understand your ideas and imagine what you're saying, adjectives are your best friend. Without them, your English is like a picture without colors. With them, your English becomes a painting full of life.
Beautifully said, Anna. So, in this episode, we'll explore many useful adjectives you can use in daily life. We'll also give you 4 full conversations that show you how people naturally use these words. And don't worry, everything is simple enough for A1 to B1 learners, but still challenging enough to help you grow.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about a noun. For example, the coffee is hot. Here, hot is the adjective that describes the noun coffee. Another example, the baby is cute. The word cute is the adjective. Easy, right?
Very easy. Now, let's break adjectives into categories so they're easier to remember. We'll look at adjectives for size, color, feelings, weather, personality, and also for everyday objects.
Good plan. Let's start with size. Some common adjectives for size are big, small, tall, short, long, wide, narrow, tiny, huge.
You can use them like this. That building is tall. This street is narrow. My dog is small. Simple sentences, but with adjectives, they become much clearer.
Absolutely. Now, let's move to colors. Everyone loves colors. Common adjectives for color are red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, pink, purple, brown, orange, gray. You can say, I bought a red bag. She wears a blue dress. The car is black.
Right. And here's a tip. In English, adjectives usually come before the noun. We say, a red car, not a car red. That's a big difference from many other languages.
Very true. Next, let's look at adjectives for feelings. These are super useful because people always want to express how they feel. Some examples: happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, bored, nervous, relaxed, hungry, thirsty.
So you can say, I'm happy today. She feels tired. We are excited for the trip. You can even combine them. I'm tired, but happy.
Nice. Now, another important group is adjectives for weather. Some common ones: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool, stormy. For example, it's sunny outside. The weather is cold today.
Let's also talk about adjectives for personality, because describing people is something we do all the time. Examples: kind, friendly, funny, serious, shy, brave, polite, rude, clever, lazy.
So you could say, my teacher is kind. He is a funny boy. She is very polite. Again, these small words give big power to your English.
Great. Now let's make this more practical with our first conversation example.
Hi, Sarah. How was your day at school?
It was good. My English class was interesting, and my teacher was very kind.
That's nice. My math class was a little boring. The lesson was long and difficult.
Oh, I know that feeling. My science class was exciting, though. We did a fun experiment with water and colors.
Wow, that sounds amazing. My teacher is strict, but she is also very smart.
My teacher is friendly and funny. He always makes us laugh. I wish my teacher was more friendly.
But at least my classmates are nice and helpful.
That's good. It's important to have good friends in class.
Yes, even if the lessons are hard, friendly classmates make everything better. Great conversation. Did you notice how they used adjectives like interesting, kind, boring, long, difficult, exciting, fun, strict, smart, friendly, funny, nice, helpful? These are everyday adjectives you can start using right now.
Exactly. And the best part is, you don't need complicated grammar. Just learn a few adjectives and start putting them before nouns or after the verb to be.
Let's continue. Another useful group is adjectives for food. Who doesn't love food, right? Some examples: delicious, tasty, sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter, fresh, hot, cold.
You can say, the pizza is delicious. This soup is salty. I like sweet fruit. Easy and practical.
Now, let's have our second conversation. This one is about food.
Hey, Anna. The food here looks good.
Yes, it smells delicious. I'm really hungry.
I think I'll order the spicy noodles. I love spicy food.
Oh, I can't eat spicy food. It's too hot for me. I'll order the fresh salad.
Salad is nice. It looks healthy and tasty.
Yes, and the vegetables are always fresh here. What drink will you get?
Maybe a cold juice. I don't like hot drinks on a warm day.
Good idea. I'll get some sweet iced tea.
Perfect. I hope the service is quick.
Me too. I'm so hungry, I could eat a big cake after this.
That sounds sweet and funny.
Fantastic. Adjectives like delicious, hungry, spicy, hot, fresh, healthy, tasty, cold, warm, sweet, big, funny make the conversation more colorful.
Right. Let's keep going. Another group we use daily is adjectives for places. Some examples: clean, dirty, noisy, quiet, beautiful, ugly, safe, dangerous, busy, empty.
For example, the park is clean. The city is noisy. This street is busy. Easy but useful.
Exactly. Now let's see how people use these in conversation. Wow, this city is so big and busy.
Yes, but it's also beautiful. The buildings are tall and colorful.
True, but some streets are dirty and noisy.
That's normal in a big city. I think the park looks clean and quiet.
Yes, it's a nice place to relax. The garden is full of beautiful flowers.
I agree. It feels safe here too.
I like safe places. Some cities feel dangerous at night.
You're right, but this city feels friendly and welcoming.
That's good. I think we will enjoy our stay here.
Me too. Let's take some pictures. The view is amazing.
Great. So, adjectives can describe not only people and food, but also places. Words like big, busy, beautiful, tall, colorful, dirty, noisy, clean, quiet, safe, dangerous, amazing help you give a clear picture.
And the more adjectives you know, the more detailed your stories become. Imagine telling your friends about a trip. The city was nice is okay, but the city was big, busy, colorful, and friendly is much better.
Now let's move to our last conversation example. This one is about feelings and daily situations.
Hi, David. How are you feeling today?
Honestly, I'm tired and a little stressed. Work was busy.
I understand. I feel tired too, but I'm also happy because I finished my project.
That's great. You must feel proud.
Yes, I'm proud and relieved. Now I can relax.
I just want to go home and have a quiet evening.
Good idea. A quiet evening is nice after a busy day.
What about you? Any plans?
I might watch a funny movie. It always makes me feel better.
That's smart. Laughter is a good medicine.
Yes. After that, I'll sleep early. A long sleep sounds wonderful.
That was full of feelings. Tired, stressed, busy, happy, proud, relieved, relaxed, quiet, funny, wonderful.
Yes, and those are real words people use every day. Practice them and you'll sound much more natural.
We've now seen how adjectives bring life to conversations about school, food, places, and feelings. But remember, there are hundreds more adjectives you can learn.
True. And the best way is practice, practice, practice. Try using at least 3 new adjectives every day. Describe your food, describe the weather, describe your feelings.
That way, adjectives will become natural in your speech and your English will grow faster.
So far, we've explored adjectives for size, color, feelings, weather, food, places, and personality. All of these are perfect for daily life and simple conversations.
And with the examples we shared, you can see how easy it is to bring them into your English.
Remember, adjectives don't have to be complicated. Start small, then build up. Soon you'll be describing the world in English with confidence.
Keep practicing, and your English will sound clearer, more natural, and more expressive every day.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode of Simple English Space. We hope you enjoyed learning about adjectives for daily life. Remember, adjectives are simple, but they are powerful. They help you describe the world around you, your feelings, your food, the weather, and even the people you meet.
Yes. And don't forget, using adjectives makes your English more colorful and more interesting. Instead of saying the food is good, you can say the food is delicious and fresh. Instead of my friend is nice, you can say my friend is kind, funny, and helpful. These small changes make a big difference.
We encourage you to practice every day. Try to choose 3 adjectives and use them in your conversations. Write short sentences or describe your day with adjectives. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
Thank you for staying with us today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing in your English journey.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos. We'll see you in the next episode of Simple English Space. Until then, stay curious, stay positive, and keep your English colorful with adjectives.